The 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, OnStar, Bluetooth, four-wheel drive, anti-theft security system, cruise control, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, remote keyless entry, cargo cover, daytime running lamps, steering wheel controls, digital clock, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.